Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nakabantay ki Jan Pong Juti Tiaring bat ki Wede ki Jingdon Kam Hakador kababebha wan chikayo India kabadon hamaulai nongkwar.
Kikli nong peniat jagi jaka Pule beper hapok nong ba kila penpa bobon ki Samla Pule ki bayu kon ki exam Lyngba ko online ha kerdan Pule undergraduate bala peniat de North Eastern Hill University kila mat isibun ki Jingeh namar ke jing sapriang jong jing pang covid kat kandai hapok gejala ya ki Eksam jong nehu la phia hi arbenta kata ko online but offline kumba ka pau bon hi ne ki Samla ki jaka Pule beper kila khun ni ki Eksam jong ki Lyngba ko online batang khniat ngot kila wan shaki college ban Thoh ki exam habe kran bu nong Thoh khobor u Dr. RM Lyngba principal ka Senate College Shillong Lai Thoh wa college ko bakan thop ya Southly ki tanat Pule ha kerdan UG kadon ya praspa san paungot ki Samla Pule ki bayu khon ya ki exam ha kala bakhat do lane ka 6th semester but life san god ki bai pat ki bai khon ya kerdan postgraduate ha ka MA political science 4th semester St. Anthony's College Shillong ha ka wei galiang kadon hadu arpsan tri ki tanat jing Pule ha kerdan undergraduate bagi don kendai spak kendai pu argot ki Samla ki bai khon ki Eksam ha kala ka bakhat do jaga jing Pule lane ka 6th semester ha ba phai ka kerdan post graduation ki Samla Pule ki bai khon ki Eksam 4th semester ki kan thop ya khat pragot ha tanat Pule MSc wat ar pragot ha tanat Pule MCA Nakaliang KD Roy, Principal in Charge ke Shillong College, Shillong Lai Thoh bobon ki Samla Pule kim shimlala ban log in. Namar ke jing suki jong network wat la ke college kalabu ika help desk nak benta ban yerap yaki bon ki Samla Pule kim shimla yo ban log in ha ka por ke babiang. Ke Shillong College kadon ya palat 6000 got ki Samla ki be khon ki Eksam undergraduate bat khat rewot ka post graduation dan ka MA in English.
Bapak kelab ni tu ingin kenyataan apa dia ni ke exam sebentar kasi?
Play yo nong sign Hima balawan cek college jungi ban keli jengmut pang ka exam tementah kasngi le sedang ya ka exam jang ka EVS parok ki department na ka college jungi kumba arpusan department kila isim bentah ni don ha ka slot ba ar ha ka ba sedang nilai isim Jingeh ban login tang suki pat nilai la ni don ki nong hikai habarok ki department kumba arar ngut mengilai ongru ki student jungi lada phisham Jingeh apakah login lada phisham Jingeh kanu ba phinde ban air men same phide ban longkam pul but contact ki department jung phi ki nong hikai jung phi ki bla yo kata ka training kumno ban login kin guide ya phi lembaga guidance sale kumta kala ja kumta kila le mata kinong ki student ru kila la ban login suki kila la ban le ya ka exam kasus air men se mengi baro ki student khantam kila express hapa ka WhatsApp message ki ong haba ka EBS la bu art slot mentang inda ya chkmat ni ki core exam kan sahe ki answer content te porba submit ekatu ka answer kin sa sim Jingeh katu kala don ka jing air min sim ya ki kena bahkan sa upload na am te ngiru ngila perkat bang ngila ya page kani ka EVS kumno ka ya te ngila yo India inside ki evaluation na ki nong hikai te lembaga na evaluation ngala perkat bangan Ïakynduh bat u COE jong ka nehu ini ya discuss lang ngin sa yo ka jingmut na u COE ngin sa penyaj kemat Arok ki SOP ngila observe dan manu ki kena ki bawan exam ki ale online lot tang iwei kena iba long physically handicap ila awan college tingila pen don kata ke exam kabawan ki nong hikai ki don hapo lala ka department ngila ya observe ya ka government protocol pangkata hi
Hapo Senate College di penoi kenika ke exam ko berdingkom da si kenika environmental studies ni hab apo ka second slot ko hab untuk sibije untuk sah dikikna berok bele kenik environmental studies kilong ki BA BSc become BCA berok dan praspa sampawon dinakini praspa sampawon Khat sawut ki one apply for offline, but the rest ki le online. Na plan ki khat sawut ki bele offline ki apply for offline dru tang iwe one le andre ki kiwe pede ki la agree ba ki le da ka offline. Ti na plan ki MA pede ni dan life sawut ki MA Pol Science fourth semester life sawut bro life sawut ki le ka exam online.
Kalau kamu sa ka nomor buni iminta ki dan bagi ki Eksam Pule ki le ka online ka don Jingeh kum tai na pio complain sang tai.
Kapor bagi sedang ka don ni ki Jingeh hang tai hindai nak university dekat college le bu ki support group the teachers concerned ki bedai within the specific department ki long in constant interaction but ki student jo ki po department di lada ki don kan problem ru ki student ki screenshot itu problem ki pha si ki nahi kai rangkat ba kerteng bo roll number jo ki bat ki nahi kai ki sa solve ki problem rangkat bat ki jingarap jo ki teachers from the busy department jo ka college.
So bahadu mentang itu berubah kena kelam kala saprang mah pokok jela di ni sutu bagi dan rugiba le offline ni so kini ki protocol sekiat baik itu
ki ni ga kung college la follow strictly kini protocol tu ana government kemudian ki classroom ki washroom ki corridor berenda berkhai la ada sanitize but ibon le offline long tam ni bay di tu du mila sim ke kerteng la le da thermal scanning but la sanitize kum tu.
So can you tell us some of the challenges faced by the students, because we understand that exams have started today?
So exams have started today, but the most important challenge which the students have faced is the logging in, because it took much time to log in, and after they have logged in, the question paper also, it took time to come, and after they have finished the question paper, it was very difficult for them to understand whether they are successful in uploading the question paper or not. That is why some of the students, they have answered first online. When they become nervous and found it out that it may not be uploaded, so they have asked for the offline thing also. Now, some of the students, they could not enter at all. Might be due to the internet problem, might be due to some other problems. They could not enter. Then they were crying almost. And what we have done is that we have told them that we might be sending the question paper as well as the answer sheet. Answer sheet means the answer booklet type of thing, or one-page answer sheet, multiple choice type, so that they can put the answer. And we have sent it through WhatsApp, because most of them are not from the Shillong also, and they are from outside also are there. And those who are in Shillong, already they might have already completed 1 hour, 2 hours. They tried and they could not. Then some of them have answered offline, and then the one page answer sheet they have sent to us through the email or through the WhatsApp. Now, it is imperative on our part that we are to upload it in the portal of each and every student. Individual student, they could not log in. How we can do it for hundreds of the students? So the teachers, the HODs are finding it very difficult to upload the thing in the portal of individual student, because each individual is to log in with a login ID and password, and with that password he may take online examination or offline examination. They could not enter at all, so they have sent the answer sheet to us. Now it is a problem for the college also to upload it because of the number of students, because we have approximately 1,000 students, and if a minimum of 10% also cannot take the examination online, then also it will be very difficult to upload the 100 scripts for individual login IDs. So that is the problem we have faced. And for what is the suggestion? I can suggest one thing only. If the NEHU could have done it in some other way, that the question paper is sent directly through email or through WhatsApp to the concerned student, and after completion, the student can upload it to the email or to any WhatsApp in the NEHU. That would have been much, much easier for them. And the students, as they were very much panicky, many cried. And when I understand that when we were students also, taking examination, we have tension, but it has created additional tension to each and every student. So that is why I think next two examination, they will be writing many pages, because those two will be the honors papers. So that will create much problem for the students, and I hope it works on well. Otherwise, it will create lots of problem for us.